What's all this now? Nabike, leave me alone now. Leave me. Why is it that you like putting vulgar ideas into my ears? Why?
Wait.
You like putting vulgar ideas into my head.
Izu?
What is it? Ogene.
Why will you allow your girlfriend Ada to go to Ezudo Kingdom to go and stay with her friend? Where does that happen? In a Klimebumunsi, is there any shit on my body? Don't you know those boys in that kingdom has master degree in Shakti Bobo Miss you hear me? I'm not here to joke or laugh. I'm telling nothing but the truth, gospel truth. They have PhD in wire. For example, they are calling you Uncle Wire. Uncle Wire. You haven't seen anything. You better go and bring her back. You're my best friend. That's why I'm telling you the truth.
Nabuike, what do you mean? What is that supposed to mean?
It's like, what I meant is that you know your girlfriend very well. She's the kind of person that laughs with everybody in the community, in the village.
So?
When you know once they laugh with her, you know, open up her leg and dance. Are you looking at me? Do I have shit on my body? Yeah? You are coming from same job. We both went to same job. We are coming from. You are dirty and dirty. Can't kill a criticism like that.
Nabuike, are you insulting me? Are you now insulting me? Napalizimu. So you are insulting me?
Me? Telling you the truth has turned to insult.
Nabuike, tell me the truth.
You know your girl. Sure, you know your Ada. She's the type of person. In fact, her name is Laughter. Laughters. We all know. So you better go and bring her back. Makadia mama. Marine Yakuju. Nona sobo. Adia mama. For you to be on sob, I mean crying. When you see me, you clean as if you are not feeling anything. I'm telling the gospel truth.
Nabuike. Okay. When last did you take your malaria medicine?
Me, sick.
Okay, the last thing will give okay.
Do I look like who is sick? I never told you I was sick.
No. Because the way I'm looking at you now, you need to rush home, take a chill pee. In fact, before you do that, you need to have your bath with cold water. Because I can see that this hot sun is really dealing with your brain. One day, it dey make you, it dey yarn anyhow. You are talking anyhow out of point. Now let me warn you. You better be careful. Henceforth, avoid me. Inabuike, avoid me from today. Just avoid me. Walker, avoid me. Izu one Izu, has he got into that? Uncle Wire. You better go and bring Auntie Wire from Ezudo Kingdom. No, listen. I'm telling you nothing but the gospel truth. You that is claiming Uncle Wire, not even claim you are Uncle Wire. You better go and bring your wife, Auntie Wire, from that Ezudo Kingdom. If not, you won't even see anyone remaining. Your name will turn to... Welcome, my brother. Izu. My manners man.
What exactly are you talking about? Yesterday, I found the result from where he hid it. The point is that this man has been impotent all this while without telling me. Our issue got so complicated to the extent that my mother-in-law actually calls me barren, not knowing that her own son is actually the problem. Your husband cannot be impotent. I am telling you that my husband is impotent. You are saying he cannot be impotent. Amara, are you the one marrying my husband? Are you? I found the results where he hid it under our bed yesterday. I got information he was at your husband's office. I went straight there to confront him. To my greatest surprise, he didn't deny it. He owned up to it. When he came home, he opened up to me that the accident he had a few years after our wedding made him impotent. And he hid it from me. He actually hid it from me. Men are scum. Men are scum. I'm going to loud it to the whole world that my husband is not man enough to impregnate any woman. Same way he stood behind and watched his people call me all sorts of names. Amara has come. Helen, please come. It's okay. Hey. It's okay. It's fine. Man has come. Helen, it's okay. Man has come.
You sounded very urgent over the phone. What is it you want to talk about?
Amara, you and my wife are the best of friends. Just like your husband and I.
Of course I do know that.
And of course we'll have a very deep secret that both of us promised each other that nobody will ever know about it, no matter what.
Yes. We did. Because everything happened in the past. And we said we weren't going to talk about it. So why are you digging up the past?
I'm digging up the past because I may be needing my kids back. Yeah. You see, Amara, I think the time has come when you have to own up to your husband. Tell him the truth. Tell him that those 2 kids he's training abroad actually are my 2 biological children. They belong to me.
Max, please. Just shut up. What exactly are you saying? You did not just say that to me. We promised ourselves that we weren't going to say anything about this. Nobody knows about... How do you expect me to walk up to my husband and tell him that those kids are not his? For your information, my children belong to my husband.
Amara, prepare your mind. Tell your husband the truth. I don't want it to be caught unawares. Let him know that those kids are mine and I need them back.
Was that the reason he dug this up again? Oh, God. This is war. This is a big war. How do I explain this to my friend? How do I explain this to my husband? Would he ever forgive me? God, Jesus. I am finished. Oh, God. I am finished.
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere,
I'm finished.
heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil.
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this? I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this?
My sister's husband got me pregnant. Your sister's husband did what? Mr. Eric got you pregnant? Neka, how?
Nneka. No, Nnaka. What are you girls doing in this village? Because I learned that since you came to this village, you have not returned to Umodala. What are you girls up to?
Mama, nothing. No. We're only here to keep this house clean. In fact, when we start cleaning this house because it's very dirty, we'll clean from morning till night. We'll not tire. We'll be keeping it very warm.
It's all right. The housewarmers. Go in there. Tell Nneka to pack all her things. We are going back to Umodala now. Hey! Inechinti, did you hear me? I said you should go in there, tell Nneka to pack her things. We are going back to Umodala now. Hey!
Okay, Mama. But please, let's wait till Nneka comes back from the stream.
Oh, stream?
Yes, she went to nearby stream.
Nearby stream?
Yes, Mama. Not far from here.
Hey! Nearby stream in this my village?
Hey, Mama, it was a mistake. It is nearby market.
Oh.
Yes.
Nearby market?
Yes, she'll soon be back.
Nneka went to the market and went to the stream at the same time. Eh? Nneka was it, boy? Eh? One part in the market, the other part in the stream at the same time. Eh? Okay. So Badro, let's check inside. Maybe the third part of Nneka might be inside the house.
Hey, Mama, you cannot go.
Give me just. Need to go away now.
Did you just say that? No, you didn't. Amara, you mean to tell me that your two kids, Jamal and Jasmine, that are currently schooling abroad, are actually for another man? Is that it? So, in a nutshell, you just told me now that your husband is practically training another man's children unknowingly. Right? Is that it? How? No. What happened? Why did you cheat on your husband? Why would you do a thing like that? Okay, fine. From what you told me now, you guys agreed to keep it a secret, right? Why is he asking for the kids all of a sudden? Mara, why did you cheat on your husband? Why? Listen, you can't keep quiet, okay? I'm talking to you. I'm asking you a question.
My husband is impotent.
Huh?
But he doesn't know about it.
I don't understand. Your husband is impotent, but he doesn't know about it. And you, the wife, knows. How? How is that possible? How did you find out?
Hey! Hey! Yay! Oh! Ị na-ebekwu okwe. So ị na-akụkpọrị. Maxwell. Ị na-erikwa ajọ pote. Eh? Hey! You know, I thought I was the only one who has skeleton in my cupboard. I never knew that na Maxwell is you. Maxwell, you know. Hey! Took it outside home. Why, you married? I said, 1, 2.
Come on, Eric. I just want you to understand something here. Okay? Look, this is not something I should be proud of. Huh? After all, Monagin on no football. Monagin on no football. We're the same shit. Huh? Let me tell you something. Listen. I've already had those 2 kids before I was involved in the ghastly motor accident that affected my testes.
Oh.
Right now, my wife has threatened to let the whole world know that I am impotent. No, don't walk your mother as a warrior. You know why? Because of what my mother made her pass through. My mother dealt with her. Right now, she doesn't even want to believe that there was a time working everywhere. But working has some paper the thing. Thank you, sir.
You get that?
I'm telling you. If I'm right now, my head is spinning. Don't work here later one day. You know, now you're a guy. If I put gun,
just calm down.
You won't understand.
Calm down, okay? You'll be fine. What of your kids? Where are they?
No, they're abroad with their auntie. Yeah, abroad.
And their mom?
But she's here in Nigeria, doing perfectly well, married. Hey, what about? Can we not talk about this, please? Let's talk something else.
Maxwell, listen, I'm going to tell you something now, okay? See, because of your health condition, there's something you need to do. You have to go and look for your kids and bring them back home and shut everybody up. You have two kids. If I wear your shoes, that's exactly what I will do, and I will take the advice I'm giving you now. Okay? Maxwell, you have to shut the enemies up. You have 2 kids. You have to let them know that there was a time you were potent. That there was a time in Iliajo potent. They need to know. Okay? Maxwell, you have 1, 2. Go and look for your kids and bring them back home. As I am, I have 2 already, and I'm cool. I'm good with them. Okay? So you really need to stop all this shameful nonsense talk going around. Go and look for your kids and bring them back home. Not going to make it too late. I've told you. That accident.
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free.
Stop it! Hey, Amara. You're here. Of course I am here. What exactly are you doing here? And what are you doing kissing my husband?
Hello? Is that supposed to be a question or what?
Of course it is a question.
You know what? Come over here. Come. Go over there and bring my box. And be very fast about it.
Oh my goodness.
You heard me.
This must be some kind of joke. Maybe I am dreaming.
Excuse me. She's just giving an instruction. A simple instruction. You should go over there, get her bag to this place. Is there something there that you don't understand?
I don't get. Exactly.
Huh?
Absolutely. This is interesting. Are you sure you're okay? What in God's name is going on here? I need to understand what you two are doing.
Honey. It seems this girl has been eating too much food in this house. That she doesn't seem to comprehend things easily anymore. By the way, why was she coming out from the main building? Oh, wait. I hope she is not staying with you in the main building because she belongs to the boys' quarters.
I think you're right. It's just a privilege, and I know I still have one room there in the boss quarter. So,
honey, that's no excuse. That's no excuse, please. In fact, where is this get man? John Boo! Oh, John Boo!
Madam.
John Boo!
Potential madam.
Come over here. Now, take this thing here to your quarters. Do whatever thing you like with her. She's now your new roommate, okay?
You don't hear them now, small madam. Big madam don't talk, say whatever I like, I do with you. Now, we'll go do. I better come, we'll go run kitty. It's all you're gonna run kata.
What? Stop! What? Come on! Hey! Big, stop! See! Wow! You're sick! Oh my God!
I'll kill you!
You're telling me! Oh! Hey! Taboo, are you there? Hey!
Sister. One neck. My own sister. Oh God. This is not happening. Am I hallucinating or what? Oh, God. Jesus. Oh, good Jesus. Yes, Helen, hi. Helen, I am not fine. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm beginning to imagine things. Exactly, I am hallucinating. Listen, you don't understand. Hello? Hello?
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold.
It's not gonna. Mama, it's not gonna. You good as landed. Hey.
Chimo! Hey! Amara here for Bamwa. Amara Zibuem. Amara Zibuem. Hey! Okay.
Mawa Batago. Mawa Batago.
You know what you're carrying? Do you know what you're carrying? Imakwihibu.
Mama.
Amara Imakwihibu. One day. Amara chukwa alapata no.
Mama,
Igba ko.
Aland Gom.
Where did you get it from?
Hey! Mama, Aland Gom. Like this, I don't. Mama, hey! I don't
Do you know what you're carrying?
It's not gonna.
Hey!
Let's go there.
One day, Amara chukwa alapata kwa. Ebe go si buti Igba mo.
Abomination. What have you done, this girl? Do you want to attract the causes of the cause on yourself? Do you want to attract causes on yourself? Of all the places, there is no place you can carry a drum, but you went to the shrine of no more to go and carry a drum. Can you? Look. She's even stepping on the drum.
Uncle Biko back with Kamnu Ife. I'm putting my leg on top, so what? You choke it and we about football. You won't do anything to me. Should I run away? This is just a drum I picked under a tree. I kept it to myself so I can use it to rehearse for the forthcoming dancing competition. What is wrong about that? You all need to grow up and get used to modernization. Mama, things are changing. Things are happening. This drum abroad now, it's a normal thing for everybody. Why are people shouting? Later now, you tell me that this drum has been dedicated to one Arusi or the other. This is my drum. My dancing drum. And nothing will happen.
Will you shut that your silly mouth?
Yeah.
Shut that your silly mouth. I wonder where she got her silly character from. Abarachi, listen to me. Listen carefully. I am giving you just 5 minutes to go and return this drum to Udu Mosha.
Chimo, Mama Ngozi Nandi. You give me 5 minutes, and I'm 5 seconds. If they are church late.
Church telling God you can buy give him kikiri. Mama, this is for you. Let's go there.
Amarachi, will you stop this? Stop this, Amarachi.
Look at him. Hey, Uncle, ngwanu special dedication can nenye kikita. Yawo. Ngwa. Ina agbanu. Okwe water. Ngwa.
This guy has one personality. This girl has gone mad. No, man, you see what I'm saying?
Nany, what do we do now? Oku ka Amarachi konyere m n'ishi ha. Amarachi alapụtakwa m. Amarachi alapụtakwa m nna anyị.
No, I am as confused as you are. Ana ekwu ihe ọkọ gba n'ọkọ ụrụ ọnụ na-atụ ya. Mkpụrụ opi egbe n'ụkwa. What is this? Amarachi will bring curses upon her head.
Amarachi, I've gone with Nany Dukwe to appease the gods on your behalf. So we have done the necessary sacrifice for your misconduct.
Mama, you have gone on my behalf to see the gods, okay? Also, go on my before. No, if you like, go on my before. It is none of my business. My only concern is why you keep wasting your time on unnecessary things, Mama. Get
Amara.
there.
It seems you don't know the gravity of what you just did.
No, I don't know. Oh, yeah, tell me. I'm listening.
Udomo is god of potency.
Well,
that when provoked, it could affect your future husband.
Well.
Be able to pregnant you.
Well.
It's not a joke.
Well. Mama,
anyway, I have done my own. God knows I have tried as a mother.
Yeah.
We have washed off our hands. You only met it.
When you were washing your hands, which were hypo? I hope you use bleach.
Will you shut up? Is it Mama you're talking to like that? Young man, you are very, very stupid. You don't even have respect for your own mother. Hey! You don't even know what you have done. Mama is trying to talk to you. You're saying, meal. What is meal? Yeah?
No, am I the one you are talking to?
You are. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
I got the one here.
Mama, I'm just respecting you.
Who called you? Watcher of the night.
Mama, you have heard.
Who called you in this matter?
I cannot sit down here and watch you disrespect our mother.
Mama. I got the one here.
Or Chako, Mama.
Don't go marry.
No, you two. What are you still doing here? What are you still doing?
Stay here. I'll be fighting
Mama.
No, go out.
Mama, take
it. Mama.
Or Chako, Maka.
I got the one here.
Chako, Maka.
Go and get married.
Yeah, I'll blow you now. I'll blow you now. It's yours.
You blow me?
Yes. I'll blow you. Yes, I'll blow you. Yes, he gave me. Mama, I've been keeping quiet since.
I am your mother.
And the one you are rushing dress for? You're setting blow for me.
Yes, I'm ready for you. What is
Let me give you smack in the monkey shadow. Smack in the monkey shadow. Come and get it. See, if I call up your elder sister, if I call up your elder sister, everybody, Mama, don't hold me.
Amarachi, behave yourself.
Mama, hold me.
Behave yourself, Amarachi.
Mama, sit down.
Don't hold me. Mama, hold me. Nobody should hold me.
Amarachi.
Mama, I am dying slowly. I am dying slowly, Mama. I am losing everything that makes me a woman. My home is shattered. I am losing everything. My mother-in-law says I'm the reason we haven't been able to have a child. I am devastated. I don't know what to do.
Amara, stop crying. Okay? But wait though. Amara,
Mama,
are you sure this has nothing to do with Udumo? God of potency.
Mama, I thought you said you went with Okundukwe for cleansing.
So, yes, I did. But
Mama Biko, whatever it is, you need to take care of it. Mama, you need to do something. I am dying slowly. I'm dying inside of me. I don't even feel like a complete woman anymore. Everything has been taken away from me. Everything I did in the past was born out of youthful exuberance. I didn't mean any of those things. Mama Biko.
Mama, it's okay, it's okay. I will see what I can do. Stop crying.
Mama, it's not about you seeing what you can do. We need to do something
I
urgent.
will try my best. One neka.
Mama.
You're welcome. One neka.
The goddess of potency must be returned to her. Otherwise, what is happening will continue. Your husband cannot plant a seed of conception in you. And you are not barren. But will never conceive for your husband. The sacrifice your mother performed some years ago was only to prevent the death that would have visited you for your misconduct. Return what you took from Odumo and be safe. Return what you took from Odumo and be free. Failure to do so, the situation will remain the same. Odumo! Failure to do so, the situation will remain the same. Odumo!
How do we solve this now that we cannot find the drum?
Trouble everywhere. Heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride.
Mama, they come inside. Are you afraid? Mama.
Mama.
How are you?
Mama, no. Let me hear that shine. Mama, who is she?
Oh, she. A wife material.
Okay.
1,000 years. Straight from the village. One touch. Boom! Triplets.
I don't understand, man. I don't understand, but I don't tell me if you know.
You will understand. Iko, this is your husband. What? Your husband material. And this is a nobody.
My wife, yes. My real wife. And who are you?
Husband material. Good afternoon. Nobody. Good afternoon.
Honey?
Baby.
Sit down. Okay, as I was saying.
Ugochukwu.
Mama, you can go inside, drop a bag and freshen up. There's food in the kitchen.
Ichikwanya gị n'akwa.
I had some idea.
You are not just going to sit down there and watch your mother bring in another woman to my home.
Babe, calm down first. Just calm down.
Calm down, don't.
Come on, let me think. Because I don't just understand what just...
And you think that is the only thing you need to do right now? You ought to go in there, tell your mother to take that stranger out of my house. You know what? If you can handle it, I'll do it myself.
Are you just going to sit there and do nothing? Eric!
Yeah, Mama?
Mama, come and do your work. Come and prove to the world that you are one touch. It's a goal.
Mama, what is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what, Ugochukwu?
Kehenemezi.
In Ajim Kehenemezi. Ugochukwu, are you not an Igbo man? In Igbo land, it is a taboo for a man to be sleeping with his fellow man. Mama, don't you mama me again. Don't you mama me.
Mama, please, enough of that rubbish talk. Please. How could you be referring to my wife as a fellow man? Why?
Ugochukwu, enough of what? Eh? Tell me, why won't I refer to the he as a man when the he does not have what it takes to harbor a baby in his womb? Jesus Christ. Ugochukwu, you are my only son, and I can't sit here watch this man tie you down with his barrenness. Omame.
I love.
Jesus. Mama,
Mama, you're pushing my wife. Do you want you know what I can do? Mama, get it, Mama. Come, please. Mama, what is this now? What is this?
One touch, triplet.
Mama,
stop.
Babe.
What is it all?
Babe, come.
Don't do it.
Mama, stop it. Stop this.
Don't do this now, Mama. This is not fair. This is not fair. Mama, stop this now, Mama. Mama, stop this now. This is not. Ouch. Mama,
Mama.
Ocho. If you're not
I was at the neighborhood. I decided to come in and check up on you. That reminds me, I spoke with your husband last week. He said he'll be coming around this week, but up until now, he's not yet back. Did he call you? Are you okay? Your mother-in-law. Is she still around? Or gone back to the village? Talk to me. To me, what is the problem?
Can you be my redeemer?
Redeemer?
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil.
Someone is trying to add to my problems. Someone is definitely trying to take my husband's attention. I don't know who that person is, but I won't allow it.
What are you talking about?
My husband is cheating on me. I know. I can feel it. He is cheating on me.
With his secretary, right?